Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangale Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. From 2 days, we are learning third chapter, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Okay. In this, yesterday we have learned third point, tradition of valor. Tradition of valor. What is mean by valor? Valor means courage. Okay. And what we saw in this tradition of valor. In this we saw that our Maratha Sardars, they had courage, they were brave, but they were always fighting among themselves. Who? These Maratha Sardars who got Jagir. They were fighting continuously among themselves. They were not thinking that if we will unite means come together for same purpose. They were not thinking that if we will unite, we can do something better work for our state, for our people. They were not thinking like this. And who was taking benefit of all these things, of their courage? Who was taking benefit? Sultans. Which sultans? Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. He was taking benefit of these people's courage. Okay, this much we have seen. And in that what we saw, that these wars were continuously going on from one generation to another generations. And again we saw that Bhosles of Verur showed great bravery and enterprise. Okay, this much yesterday we have learned. Now today we are going to learn the temple of Grushneshwar. New point it is the temple of Grushneshwar. See, very simple and interesting point it is the temple of Grushneshwar. Open your books, page number 8. There you can see fourth point, the temple of Grushneshwar. The temple of Grushneshwar. See, Grushneshwar is a god. Okay. Do you know temple? All knows temple. Yes, in your village, Hanuman's temple is there. God Rama's temple is there. God Saraswati's temple is there. Yes. So, those temple. But here, which god's temple it is? Grushneshwar. Temple of Grushneshwar. Means, in this point, we are going to learn about temple. Okay. A story of temple in our simple words. Okay. We don't have to bother that I am learning history. I am learning EVS second. And how I will keep it in mind. It is very difficult subject. What I will do. But see, every word seems difficult before we are doing it. When we will do it, okay, that time it will be easier one for us. Understood? So remove all thoughts from your mind that this one is very difficult subject and I can't understand it and I can't study for it. Okay? So see, here as a story we are going to learn history. As a story, how picture story we are keeping in mind, like that we have to keep all these things in our mind. Okay, see, the temple of Grushneshwar. Here we are going to learn about temple. So open your books, page number 8, put your index finger on the line. See, the temple of Grushneshwar. You can see on the screen also, but you have to look in the book. It was about 400 years ago, the temple of Grushneshwar near the Verur caves was falling to pieces. The walls had developed cracks. The priest also had deserted the temple. Thus, the temple which was built in honor of a great god was totally neglected. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. See, this much we will see first. What is here now? See. It was about 400 years ago. 400 years ago. In first chapter also we have seen Maharashtra before Shivaji, 400 years ago. Here also now 400 years ago means before 400 years. Okay. The temple of Grushneshwar near Verul caves was falling to pieces. Means before 400 years ago. 400 years ago. There was a temple which was Grushneshwar temple, and before 400 years ago it was going to fall down. See. And where it is? Near Verul caves. If you have visited as a trip with your parents or with your school, you have seen Verul caves. Near those Verul caves, this Grushneshwar's temple is there. See. This was falling to pieces. This temple was going to fall into pieces. The walls had developed cracks. Its walls have developed cracks. Means see, on if your house is older one, there also on wall you can see like these gaps. In wall gap you can see. This one is called crack. Okay. So those walls have developed cracks. The priest also had deserted the temple. What is mean by priest? Who knows? P-R-I-E-S-T, priest. Priest means a person. In simple words we have to keep in mind. A person who performs religious ceremonies. A person who performs religious ceremonies is called priest. Okay. In your temples also you have seen. Okay. Priest. This priest also left the temple. So now there was no one who will perform artis and all these things for God. No one was there. But still, some people used to visit the temple. See. Thus the temple which was built in honor of great God was totally neglected. Neglected means no one was paying attention towards it. It was neglected. Means no one used to take care of that temple. No one was looking at that temple. It was totally neglected by people. All the devotees who came there mourn over the sorry state of the temple. Mourn means feel sorrow. Mourn means feel sorrow. Feel sorrow. Okay. Mourn means feel sorrow. Those devotees who came there to visit the temple, they feel sorrow. State of the temple. State means situation of that temple. All were thinking that it's not good, that this temple is going to fall down. All were saying like this. They were just expressing their view, but no one was ready to take action for this temple's development or for this temple's repairing. No one was taking action. Just people used to give their opinion that it's not good. It's not good. We also used to say no, 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 it's not good that he has fallen down. It's not good. But if we are not helping him, just we are giving opinion, yeah, this person fall down, so we should help him. We never help him. But what we are saying, we are just passing our opinion and we leave it. Yes. So like the same situation was there at that time. Those devotees used to visit the temple. They were just passing judgment, just passing their opinion that it's not good, and no one was taking action to repair it. And just people forget it again. See, but no one thought of repairing it. Understood this much? See what we have seen. One temple was there. Where? Near Berul caves. When? Before 400 years ago. And this temple was going to fall down. People used to visit the temple, but they were just passing their judgments that this temple is going to fall down now. No one is taking care of these. This priest, means priest who used to perform artis, religious ceremonies, he also left the temple. No one is taking care of these. It's not good. So like these people used to pass judgments and they forget it again. See, mourn means feel sorrow. This much we have learned now. Do you understand it? Very good. So we will proceed to next paragraph now. See what is given. Put your index finger again there. See, a great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bale on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out intensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Krishneshwar was restored. Who was this devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Okay, so see what is given now. A great devotee of Shiva. Krishneshwar means that temple was Shiva or Mahadev, we can say. You have visited to Mahadev's temple? Yes. So Krishneshwar's temple was of Shiva. Means, see, a great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. One devotee was there. He used to visit that temple every day. Regularly he visited. He would put flowers and bale on the lingam. He used to put flowers and bale. Do you know, in Mahadev's temple, Mahadev likes bale. So he used to put some flowers and bale on lingam and express his innermost thoughts to God. And whatever thoughts are there in his mind, he used to express those thoughts in front of God. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple. What he did? He carried out all extensive repairing of that temple. He repaired that temple properly. And he restored it to its original position. And he restored that temple on its original position. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple, and again he made proper arrangement of its maintenance of that temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside, and he have put lights also from inside also, from outside also. The temple and the lost grandeur of Krishneshwar was restored. Grandeur means, see, G-R-A-N-D-E-U-R. Grandeur means majesty. It's all majesty of Krishneshwar's temple was restored. Who was this devotee? Who did all this? Who was this devotee? Many people were visiting it, but no one was repairing it. But this one person, always he used to visit it. So who was that person? Who did all these? So he was Maloji Raje Bhosle. What was his name? Maloji Raje Bhosle. So Maloji Raje Bhosle repairs Grushneshwar's temple. Do you understand? So see, on this basis, one question may ask to you that who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? What is the question? Who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? So answer is Maloji Raje Bhosle restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition. Understand? Very good. So see, I'll give you your question. That question you are going to write in your notebook. While writing, you will pause the video and then you will write it. Okay? You don't have to say that I was writing and video was going ahead. When question is completed, you will pause it and then you will copy the question and answer in your notebook. Understood? See, what is the question? One number, who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition. Our answer is who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition. Just we have learned. What is the answer? Maloji Raje Bhosle. See. So how will write answer? Keep in mind, if you are writing any person's name, surname, that time first letter should be capital. See, for example, I am writing name Raj. So Raj, R will be capital. If I will write name like this Raj, so it will wrong. Understood? Keep in mind, this one is basic thing, that always we should write a person's name in first letter should be capital. So see, Maloji Raje Bhosle restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition. To its original condition. See, now you are thinking, sir, this one is very big question. How I will keep it in mind? How I will learn it? One day I will take to learn this one answer. How I will learn all these question answers? Yes? Do you have this question in your mind? So see, we don't have to do donkey work. We have to do smart work. If you will understand how to write answer of that question. Answer is very small. Okay? But question is bigger one. So as per that, our answer size also bigger one. See, actually what is our answer? Here what is question? Who? Question is asked by who? So we have to cut it, and here on its place we have to write here answer. So who have restored the temple on its original position? Maloji Raje Bhosle. You are knowing this much. Maloji Raje Bhosle restored the Grushneshwar's temple. Understood? Maloji Raje Bhosle. This much you have to keep in your mind. Other things ready-made you are going to get. So see, what I have done here on its place, I have written my answer. Maloji Raje Bhosle. Okay, remaining thing C, as it is I have copied. Restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition. Understood? So is it big answer? No. Understood? So like these tricks are there to write bigger answers. Understood? If you will learn it properly, then you will not get any difficulty. Just what we have to keep in mind, who repaired this temple? Maloji Raje Bhosle. Okay, automatically you can write answer bigger one. Okay, so today's homework you will get on the screen at the last, and the same question you are going to write in your notebook and you are going to learn it. So thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same topic with same teacher. Thank you very much.